Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to use the sine ratio to solve for a missing side. Before we write down the sine ratio, we are going to correctly identify the sides in the triangle so that we know we're correctly applying the trig ratio that we need, which for this one will be the sine ratio. And to do that, we are going to look at the 90-degree angle, realizing that across from the 90-degree angle is the hypotenuse, and we are also given the reference angle of 38 degrees. And across or opposite to that 38-degree angle is the side that we are trying to find. So because we have a triangle that involves the opposite side and the hypotenuse, the sine ratio is the correct trig ratio to apply here. And the sine ratio is written as sine of the angle is equal to the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Where from here, we take the information from the diagram and we plug it into the trig ratio. So for us, we know that the missing angle, or the angle that's referred to here, is 38 degrees. And we also know that the opposite side is the side that we're actually trying to find. It's x. And the hypotenuse, which is the largest side in the triangle, that is 10. So from here, we use a calculator to determine what sine of 38 degrees is to 4 decimal places. And if we use a calculator for that, we're going to get a value approximately equal to 0.6157. And of course, that's going to equal to x over 10. Our next step is to make equivalent fractions and to cross multiply. So we can put a 1 in the denominator on the left side, and then we can cross multiply, where 1 times x is x, and on the right side we have 0.6157 times 10, which means that x is going to be approximately equal to 6.2 miles. And our answer, it makes sense because 6.2 miles is smaller than the hypotenuse of 10. The hypotenuse should always be the largest side in any triangle.